Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is another how-to video, and what I want to cover real quick, this is going to be a short video, but I was having trouble figuring out how to put these hashtags on my gaming videos. And so what I have found, and actually I'm a member of a great gaming community called YouTube Growth Community on Facebook, and I want to throw out a couple of shout outs to a couple guys that helped me. Jeremy Daniels and Ken Brooks. They were very helpful to me on showing me how to get these hashtags in here. But what you do is you go into your YouTube studio, and all you do is throw your hashtags down in the description. And you can put as many hashtags in here as you want, but it will only take the first 3. And what I was having issues with, I always put a location for United States, which is where I live, and I'd always put a location here, and let me show you what that does. We'll just type in United States right there, and we will go back up and save this. And so let me show you what it does whenever we go click on the video now to view on YouTube. Okay, so now it puts our United States location up here rather than our hashtags. So that was my problem that I was doing, and some of you may have the same problem. So I wanted to make just a quick short video and show you how to resolve that. So if we go back and change this, change our location, like our video location, to none. And we haven't done anything with our hashtags, they're still in here. So you change that back to none, hit save, and then when we view it on YouTube again, okay, there are our hashtags there. So that's pretty cool. It took me a while to figure out what was going on with that, and again, a couple guys from my YouTube growth community really helped me out on that. They showed me where to put the hashtags in the beginning, actually, and I was just struggling with what was going on here. So it's kind of a really cool feature that you can do on your videos. What happens if you click on one of these hashtags, it takes you to other gamers that are other content creators that are playing this game. So you might want to check out some more of them. So I try to put the name of the game as the first hashtag. Okay. And I've got indie game in there and survival. You can put whatever you want. But anyway, I think it will help maybe draw some traffic to your video. So hope you guys enjoyed this, or if it was helpful to you, hit that thumbs up button. And if you're new to my channel, make sure and hit that subscribe button and check out more videos from me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.